If you follow this channel, you're probably tired of seeing these blue doors. I thought that this particular repair was too important to skip. So today I want to share a few tips that can help make your rust repairs easier, faster, and invisible. This small patch panel is going to be butt welded right here, and then it comes out a bit so that it can be lap welded around the perimeter. But let me take this off so you can see exactly how it's cut. So if I back it up a little bit, you can see that it dips in right here, nice and straight, so that it butt welds up to here, but then there's an angle coming out and then around here. So straight, then an angle, then butt welded. And this allows me to butt weld it here and then convert over to lap welding, and then I'll be able to knock this down. All this I'll be able to knock down. But notice I can't knock this down, so that's why I butt weld it. After MIG welding, this is what it should look like. And incidentally, I'm using 0.023 wire, I'm using gas, and the voltage setting was on 1. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Usually on sheet metal I use 1 and 2. This metal on this door was a little thin. This was 20 gauge, so I set it on 1 so I wouldn't blow through this thinner metal. So let me clean this up, and then I'll show you how to knock down these welds and fill it. Again, the importance of this video was to demonstrate how to do the ends of your patch panels so that they're virtually invisible. Now all we have to do after we welded it up, ground the welds down lightly and cleaned them up, is knock this patch down a bit. Now we can't knock it down here because it's very firm, or this edge, and that's why we butt welded. But we can knock down all of this. And you can use a tool like this. It's a blunt punch, or a body hammer like that. And so on this very edge, I want to be super accurate right here at the bottom, and I'm going to just put it right onto a weld and then just give it a little whack. And that should be good. It put a little ding right there. I can see it go down. Now the rest of it, I'm just going to give it a tap like that, and like that, and like that, and just go all along, tapping it down. And essentially you're putting a ding here, 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 here. You're knocking this patch down lower than the original surface. Then you're going to fill it, prime it, and paint it. Once I get this done, I'll be back to show you the finished panel. After finishing the filler work, DA sanding the paint, and giving it a few coats of primer, this panel is ready to be block sanded, primed again, finished sanded, and painted. I hope this short video on rust repair tips helped you out in some way, and if it did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.